Good morning. So, it's... What time is it, babe? Oras pa? 11:30. So, wala mi na dayon og biyahe kay Baguio. Wilma came. We thought Wilma doesn't. So, wala mi nakabiyahe. Magbalhin lang mig room because na naman they visitors na they guest for tonight nani na room. So the same owner pabalinon lang mi. But before we go, okay, mag-check out na. Room tour sa real quick. Okay. So that's the dining area where we worked last night. So mirror. So it's a 1-bedroom condo. And yes, very spacious. So pwede kang bed somewhere there. Bed. And then pwede pa digdaan. And that's a bed. It's a ref. Microwave cabinet. That's the bathroom. Kitchen area. So it's very spacious. Very clean. So napod ganit me slipper area there. Okay. And it's a 1-bedroom. So LG dual inverter, AC. Okay. Queen size bed, TV, and if need mo mag LAN cable like I did sa modem, and a balcony. You can walk out and see. I'm not sure what view is this, but there's a bus terminal. So rural bus terminal. Okay. And I don't know what subdivision is that, pero gwapo siya mga balay. So this was our room last night. Wala na ako na-shoot last night because so tired na. Again, we were traveling for around almost 7+ hours, almost 8 hours from Jensan. Okay. So yes, transfer lang mi sa other room. Actually, leave sa naman mong gamit sa other room because 2 p.m. pang check-in and then mag-lunch. Right? See? Very clean. Thank you so much to the owner. Itaglan ako ang link nila sa Airbnb. So whenever you're here in CDO, you can go and check them out because it's really close to Lim Ket Kai, SM, and a lot of other places na Starbucks and makakuha mo food. So fit check. Actually, dapat pang dagat na siya. But since napunta diri, so ito na lang. Sent for today, travel pack na JPG Lemail. Murag Habibi og amoy. Habibi og amoy ba? Habibi. Time check. It is... What time is it? So, it's 12:31 now. So, we're headed for lunch at Red Tail. Here at Lim Ket Kai Loop. Yeah. So, again, wala pinakalarga because all ferries are cancelled from Port of Balinguan due to signal number 1 of Bagyong Wilma. So we're here to eat. Ang outfit pang dagat Nice man, oh. Pwede na pang ano. But the outfit is pang dagat kaayo. The Golden Building. The Golden Building. Alright. Let's go. We're at Red Sail. Kuan pa na mo ni checking at I'm gonna check the menu. Takeout area. Okay lang ko, besh. Naman ko yung antihistamine. Nangita na dyan bugbikil para mag-romantic baboy ta.
Ayaw, tali-post ka. Sir Jess, yung isa kong kasama, may allergies. Dalawang romantic baboy na lang yan.
So it's good na ni mga initiative. Pet post. Dapat maglagay sir ito sa labas sa Lagaw, babe. Yung ginaano sa Pet Pals nga.
Pero lahat na.
Dito sa tindahan lang sa ubos, pero ang problema lang, managhan ang tae.
Dok ang maglapit.
Yeah.
Baka masagasaan sila eh.
Rombeb. Rombab.
Basta lipan sa romantic baboy.
So, Besh, how's your Besh? Birthday so far? Ano sa tong reflection?
Please, more sponsors, please. Pag-post ako ng QR code ko.
May pa.
I accept in monetary value.
Basig na sige lang order na lang ko kanang something na dito kay basig gusto mong seafood. Diri ra man mo sa samgyup na happy. After the carnage. Kami maglimpyo pero na ay wala gilimpyo na pa dahil nila. So busog. Busog sir? Busog. PJ. Busog. Babe. Busog ka niya, babe.
Nag-exchange gift ba daw ka?
Ay, nay?
Kita mag-exchange gift na, pero dito na sa Kamigi na ito paliton.
Done lunch. Currently, it is... What? What time is it? I think it's almost 2 plus. So, we changed rooms. So we're now in room 2221. Kay Nana daw naka-reserve dito for tonight. So, room tour.
Insert na nga siya sa Congress. Tapos ang mga kontraktora na ilahagyapon.
Ref.
Muna siya. Kanang billion na project sa emisyon.
Kung saan ani? Kung saan password?
Ay, wait lang, miss. Ikaw na ko ang password. Kinangita po ko sa router, actually. Cannot find.
Same lang doon sa...
Dili, lahi ang password ata. So, mga ni ang view. Na mo all home, mong harap. So, later na may mag-starbs. Hello!
Hi guys! We're going to Starbucks.
It is 7:36.
Ay, ito daw daan.
Ang tour guide. Ay, atong guide. Si lokal.
Sa lokal po. Lokal ng everywhere. So we're going to Starbucks to pick up our coffee.
Pick up.
Pick up our coffee.
Muna dyan i-order na. usual.
We need caffeine.
You need energy. Digging on my energy.
Keep us alive.
No? Nice ganyan. Ang bagong office ni PJ. kung ano mo ang trabaho diri si Dio, sugtan niya kasi yung mama.
Kaya ka nang ingon ako na ka nang matransfer na ko. Ingon ako ka nang maglakaw na ko. Sige, okay na anak. Dito na ko nasa.
Dito na ko asay. Shock siya.
Kung sila mismo ang mag-transfer sa ko, very much feeling.
Nasa yun ay relocation package, oy. Nga 1 month. Stay at Limket kay Lux. Cha.
Ay,
Isit. Murag buhi pa kayo mundo, no?
parang nari ka upan akong tita dito.
It's still very lively. Lami mo laag pero mag-work man. So, Starbucks muna. Starbucks. Hindi kay area. Starbucks. I love City Olympic Kai. Hi, hi, hi.